Let us practical geometry exercise 4.1. Construct the following quadrilateral. Quadrilateral ABCD. Let us draw a rough diagram like this, and according to that we will be able to draw the quadrilateral ABCD. AB is 4.5 centimeter, BC is 5.5 centimeter, then CD is 4 centimeter, then AD is 6 centimeters, and AC is the diagonal 7 centimeters. So we will start with the construction. We will start with the construction AC, that is the diagonal, and then we will take 4 centimeters from C, and we will have an arc of radius 4 centimeters and cut an arc like this, and from A we will take an arc of 6 centimeters from here, and the point of intersection will be D. And likewise we are going to do like this also, this side also, from C 5.5 and from A again 4.5 centimeters. So that point of coincidence or meeting will be B. So let us start. Let us take 4 centimeters from C. So this is AC. This is 7 centimeters. Let us take 4 centimeters. You can see 4 centimeters from C. We will take 4 centimeters. Draw an arc like this, and from A we will take 6 centimeters. From A we will take 6 centimeters. So that is the point D, and the point that we get is D. So we will join CD and AD. This is 4 centimeters, this is 6 centimeters. On the other side we will take 5.5 centimeters, that is from C. From C we will take 5.5 centimeters and draw an arc like this. And from A we will take 4.5 centimeters, and this point of intersection of these two we will be getting B. So we will join this AB and BC. So this is the required construction. So we'll write down the steps of construction. What are the steps we have taken? First, draw a line segment AC equals to 7 centimeters. Second one, draw a 4 centimeter arc of radius 4 centimeters from point C. Draw an arc of 6 centimeter radius from point A. Then the arcs from C and point A meet at a point D. So next one is that we have to join both these. So join AD and CD. So this is half the part. Then on the other side, sixth one, from point C, draw an arc of radius BC 5.5 centimeter, and this is 4.5 centimeter of radius 4.5 centimeter. Next one, from point A, draw an arc of radius from C, it is 5.5 and this is radius 4.5 centimeter. Then we have to write these both the arcs. The arc from C and from point A meet at a point B. Join AB and BC. So this is the required construction. Required quadrilateral is constructed. These points of construction are to be written in a very simple language so that we understand. So it is very simple to write these points of steps. So you can write in the further problem, you write. It is very easy in your languages. It is to be expressed in your languages, what you have understood and what you have done. Okay, that's all for today's video. I hope you have understood today's construction very well. Make sure you subscribe my channel. Share this video with your friends and classmates. See you in the next video with new construction. Thank you.